Hello everyone! Let's Go Places by Cheryla presents Capture the stunning Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California, USA. Let's go places! We begin by crossing the Golden Gate Bridge, its bright international orange towers standing tall above the bay. Let's go places! Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Completed in 1937, this was once the longest suspension bridge ever built. Its main span stretches 4,200 feet, supported by massive cables made from tens of thousands of steel wires. Let's go places! Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. The Golden Gate Bridge remains one of San Francisco's most iconic landmarks. Let's go places! And at night, the Golden Gate Bridge takes on a completely different beauty. From a distance, its towers glow softly against the dark sky, and the lights along the cables trace a perfect outline across the bay. The bridge becomes a shining silhouette, standing quietly above the water and reflecting its golden lights on the surface below. Let's go places! Now we move beneath the bridge from the water. From this angle, the scale is incredible. The steel, the height, and the engineering all come to life. Let's go places! Thank you for joining me on this short journey across and beneath the Golden Gate Bridge. No matter how many times you see it, this landmark never loses its magic. I hope you enjoyed the views, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla.